Hi, this is Simon Cardiff and you're watching CATV.
See Australia none for 387 with retired hurt Philip Hughes early, so Ponting from Tasmania will be on 288 not out at the end of the day.
Hoping Aussie's back and a good 300 odd posted. I think Broad is going to get destroyed.
All of them.
But yeah, I'm hoping they play onions.
Why's that?
Because these onions make me cry.
Making sure we don't get identified by our boss today when we should be in work.
It's going to be easy.
I'm hoping I'm going to get picked.
Ponting to win the toss and put us in and bottle it again.
We're going to get a good start. Hopefully put you guys in the bat first and bowl you out in a day.
Going to have the mohawk happening and the circa 2000 shirt, I think. Went for the red today. I thought I'd do a bit of both. I want to show the England colours, but at the same time, red for the Welsh.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oi, oi, oi!